You know, it's funny how something as simple as a sewing machine can tell such a long story. This machine right here, we've had it for about 8 years, 8 whole years. It's been part of so many workshops, so many women learning, creating, building confidence, starting something new. And yet, for the past year, it's been sitting here with a little sign on it saying out of order. And honestly, the sign has been speaking to me for a while now. Not because I didn't care, but because, like many things, when you're running something like Skilled Hands, there's always something more urgent, something louder, something that needs you first. But today, I finally said enough is enough. Let's fix it. Now, if you look closely, this machine hasn't just stopped working. It's been through a lot. Some screws are missing, some parts are worn out, a few bits completely gone. And this is also part of the reality we don't always talk about. Because Skilled Hands is a CIC, a community organization, sometimes people assume things don't need to be handled with as much care as possible. Things get used, but not always respected. And over time, little by little, that wear and tear adds up. But here's the thing. As a leader, you don't always have the luxury of saying, I'll just call someone to fix it. Sometimes you become the technician, the problem solver, the one figuring things out as you go. And today, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm looking at this machine, figuring out what's missing, what can be replaced, even borrowing screws from one part of the machine to fix another. You know those places where there are 2 screws? I'm thinking, right, maybe this can survive with one and I'll use the other where it's really needed. Especially under the foot plate. There were missing screws there, so I'm adjusting, improvising, and making it work. And honestly, this is what running Skilled Hands has been like. You make things work. You stretch what you have. You refuse to give up on something just because it's broken. And the beautiful part, after all that, I tested it. And it works perfectly. And that moment right there, that's what it's all about. Because Skilled Hands isn't just about sewing machines. It's about restoring things, restoring confidence, restoring purpose, restoring opportunities for people who just need a chance. And while I'm here fixing this machine, let me also tell you about what we're doing now, because we've grown, we've evolved. We now run paid workshops as well, from sewing to jewelry making, soap making, bag making, and even millinery. We do head parties, group bookings, creative experiences, all designed to bring people together while learning something valuable. And yes, we also offer certified courses. So if you're looking to actually gain recognized skills, this is something you can take seriously and build on. And something I'm really excited about. We've opened up opportunities for designers and creatives to be part of our red carpet event. This means you can create your own designs and have them showcased on a runway, professionally modeled, with full visibility and exposure. It's not just about fashion, it's about giving people a platform, a voice, and a moment to shine. And speaking of events, we have our Makers Market coming up on the 16th of May 2026. And honestly, you don't want to miss it. There will be jewelry, handmade soap, plant pots, beautiful bags, woodwork, cakes, pastries, amazing food, and so many unique handcrafted items. It's a celebration of creativity, skill, and community. So come along, support local makers, and just enjoy the atmosphere. And then, of course, our red carpet event is also coming up. Bigger and better. We are expecting over 200 guests. And this year, we are offering something special for businesses. Our event brochure, every guest gets one. That means if you advertise your business in it, you're putting your brand directly into the hands of over 200 people. We have different advertising slots available, inside pages, center spread, giving your business real visibility. It's a powerful way to be seen, to be recognized, and to connect with a wider audience. So, if it's something you're interested in, definitely reach out. And as you watch this machine come back to life, just remember, this is what we do at Skilled Hands. We don't give up on things. We rebuild, we restore, we create. So, if you would like to be part of what we are doing, whether it's joining a workshop, attending an event, celebrating with us, or even just supporting, head over to our website and check us out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can keep up with everything we are doing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.